In this video, I'll show you what to do in case one of your AirPods Pro 3 is not working. The other one is working, but this one not. Go on your iPhone, open the settings, go in Bluetooth settings right over here, and find your AirPods in this list. Mine are right over here. So I'll go ahead, tap the eye icon on the right side of your AirPods, and click on forget this device. Confirm by clicking forget device twice, and they have been removed from your iPhone. Next step is to go ahead, open the lid of your AirPods case with them inside, and you're gonna double tap in the front, double tap again, and double tap a third time. It will flash red for a few seconds and then come back to flashing white. Okay, perfect. We have now reset your AirPods Pro 3. Leave them with the case open. Bring your iPhone closer from them. Okay, you can quit the small screen you saw if you saw written not your AirPods. Close the lid, open the lid. AirPods Pro. Okay, now we should connect. So press connect and go through all the screens that you see on the display. Don't skip them. Don't press the X button. I did this in the past and some features were not available on them. So go and click not now if you're not interested in anything they propose here. Continue, continue, not now. And now they should work, both of them, and you probably fixed your issue this way. If you're still having problems and this didn't do anything, what I suggest is you take a look inside of the case. Let's say this one wasn't working, and make sure there's no gunk, there's no dust, dirt, hairs that get stuck where you see the contacts deep inside there. Check on the AirPod stem as well. You see this metal part? Make sure it's clean. So take a microfiber and clean it truly. Sometimes over time, especially, you got, skin debris and other stuff, dust that get accumulated and they cannot charge after that. So once you make sure both are clean, put them back, both of them, and connect the case to a charger. Wait around 20 to half an hour, 20 minutes to half an hour, and they should both work once again. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If you have any other tips on how to solve this issue, let me know in the comments down below. Maybe I'll make a future video about this. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.